Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows 11. LibreOffice is a free and open source office suite used for creating and editing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, databases, and more. It's a great alternative to Microsoft Office and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So, like the video, subscribe to support my channel, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for LibreOffice. Open first official website of LibreOffice. On the website, you will see its interface like this. Go to Download section at the top and click Download LibreOffice. On the download page, you'll see options. Here, choose your operating system. I am using Windows, so I will choose Windows 64-bit. That's the version for most modern PCs. Your download will start automatically in a few seconds. The file is around 349 megabytes, so wait until it downloads. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see a setup file something like this. Now open the installer file. The LibreOffice setup wizard will open. Click Next on the welcome screen. Choose Typical Installation, then click Next again. You can check this option if you want to create a desktop shortcut. Then click Install. Now the installation has started. If you see this type of error, then choose the second option. It will need to restart PC after installation. Then click OK. The installation will continue. Wait until it completes. When the installation completes, just click Finish. Now it will ask you to restart your PC to take changes effect. Click Yes and your PC will restart. After restarting, you will see LibreOffice on your desktop. Open LibreOffice, make sure everything is working. You're now ready to create and edit documents for free. You can easily create and edit Word files here. It has also many other features. If you want to open any Word file, just click Open File and choose the file you want. You will see an interface just like Microsoft Word with all the options and features, and you can edit and save it easily. That's it, you've successfully installed LibreOffice on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple PC tutorials.